4 common issues in ASP.NET Core MVC. The first one, I have a custom CSS file in my layout.cshtml file. I edited the file, but the changes are not reflected on the website as it continues to use the old version of the CSS file instead of the latest one. It's because the browser is using the cached version of the CSS file to solve this in the layout file instead of this. Add this code, ASP append version equals true. Second issue, the user entered long text in the text area, but the system trimmed it to shorter text. Why? See this piece of code. When creating the table in the database, the column is set to have a max length of 500, but the view model doesn't enforce any data annotation validation. It causes user able to submit more than 500 characters but auto-trimmed when saving to database. So make sure the data schema and UI validation match each other. Issue number 3, a JavaScript issue. Confusing about innerText and textContent. Remember, innerText will include visible text only. Those text with display none will be excluded. TextContent include all the text of an element and its descendants, including the hidden text. This is the example. Issue number 4. Look at this piece of code. In JavaScript, after setting the inner text of an element to use resource, when switched to other languages like Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, the text is not displayed properly. Here's the workaround. In JavaScript, instead of directly accessing the resource, access from a DOM element. Place the resource in a hidden div. Then, in JavaScript, get the resource by using .textContent. Welcome to ortheme.gumroad.com for more full source code and tips. Thanks for watching.